Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How you doing, learner? I hope you're just fine and my video meet you in well conditions. Now we discussed about procedure text. Oh yeah, buddy. Before we continue the lessons, if you are a YouTuber, you are a marketing manager. If you are manager that working online, we have such a good applications is to boosting your SEO, your keywords. It can improve your selling online. And I put in my descriptions. If you want to see this, you want to visit it, just click on my descriptions and find that the applications on there. Okay, we continue the lesson. The procedure text is just text that contains some steps, materials, and goal in order to explain how to make something. The main characters of procedure text is by using imperative or command sentence. Procedure text could be divided into two categories. The first is simple procedure text and the second is complex procedure text. Simple procedure text usually contains 2 or 3 steps in it. For example, how to open the can, how to draw a prism, how to boil water. And in complex procedure text, there are lots of steps. For example, building up robotic circuits, how to make a delicious pancake, and how to fix a desktop. A complex procedure text, there are more than 3 steps and even has a sub-steps. Now come to text structure of procedure text. The text structure of procedure text is built up with 3 main factors. For number 1 is goal. The procedure text is always have a goal. A goal is what is the text used for. And the factor number 2 is materials. Materials included tools, ingredients, device, and the text structure number 3 is steps. The procedure text has always steps. Steps is the sequence that must to do to make something. And the language structure of procedure text is use command sentence or use command or use imperative. Number 2 is using simple present tense. And the language structure number 3 is use the sequence conjunctions such as first, second, after that, finally, and etc. And the language structure number 5 is in some cases there are a persuasive statement. Persuasive statement is the statement or sentence to persuade someone to interact what is the goal of the text. Now here we propose one example of procedure text here. Here we propose one example of procedure text here. The procedure text here is the title, How to Make a Cup of Lemon Tea. How to make a cup of lemon tea is a goal. And there are materials and ingredients, such as the material is serving cup, pan, and spoon. And in ingredient there are tea leaves, sugar, lemon juice, and honey. And there are several steps here. Step number 1 is heat some water in a pan. And the step number 2 is when the water comes to boil, simmer the heat. And step number 3 is add tea leaves and steep them for a minute. And number 4 is pour the tea in serving cup. Number 5 is add sugar, lemon tea, and honey, then stir well. And the final step is serve immediately. It is the example of procedure text. I hope my explanation satisfied you about the procedure text. If there's a question, you can write down on the comment on my video. Thank you very much for your kind and thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.